Hello folks. Salesforce release Spring 22 is almost here. You're not gonna believe all the flow improvements we're getting this time. Let me show you a sneak peek. But before I go into the details, let me just tell you, we are getting control over order of execution for record triggered flows. This is incredible. But that requires a separate video, so I'm not going to go into the details of that. Please watch and enjoy. Now you can see immediately under process automation that we have a new choice here. It's called Migrate to Flow beta. So this is a new screen and functionality that allows you to migrate your workflow rules to Flow. So you can, these are workflow rules that are on lead object, and I can choose these and I can run these. I haven't done that yet ever, so I don't know exactly how well it works. It is going to create a flow for it. So that's one of the new things that you can find. If you go to your flow screen where you usually create your flows, do you see something new on here? Let's do a treasure hunt on here, like a small thing. Can somebody tell me if they see something new on the screen?
Process type?
No, this was available. This was available. Do you know what this one is right here? Flow Trigger Explorer. It sounds like a new movie by The Rock or something, like Drew Johnson. Flow Trigger Explorer. So you click on it. What it does for you is, this is very interesting. It shows you all the different record triggered flows you have already created on each object. You can click on account, you can click on leads, whatever you want, and then it is going to show you how many record triggered flows are before save or fast field update. It's the same thing. How many are after save or actions and related records? Again, they are the same thing. And how many are designed to run asynchronously afterwards. So if you want to organize yourself and understand whether you are going to have multiple flows come into play and possibly affect each other negatively or positively, whatever it is, you can actually plan yourself here. Previously, we didn't have a view like this, and Salesforce's own recommendation is not to limit the number of flows that are running on one single object, whether it is before save or after save. They refrain from giving you a clear recommendation on one single flow per object or something like that. There are experts out there who claim that should be the case, but Salesforce won't say that. But if they are taking that position, they need to give you a nice view where you can organize yourself, and this is that view. This is quite important, actually. So once you go into a record triggered flow, you are going to also see that this is also provided for you right in your start element. So there is a quick link in here that you can click on and then see all the triggers on the same object. So let's say you went in here and you are building your flow and you forgot, you're trying to remember what else is on this object. You can do this, which is also good. Another interesting point here, auto layout in freeform is up here now. It's a pull down menu. And as you'll see, there is no beta right next to auto layout. Let's go and create a new flow. What we used to see is whenever we created a new flow, we would pick, let's say we want to build a record triggered flow, and then we would immediately see, I guess record triggered flow possibly is not a good example because it leads us to that start element screen. Let me just do a screen one here. New flow and screen flow. And we used to get like a big choice boxes or something, quick choice boxes. I don't even know what to call those. Like, a big window. On the left side, there was freeform visually displayed, and on the right side there was auto layout visually displayed. And they used to say auto layout in parentheses beta. Auto layout wasn't beta. It's not in beta anymore. So it kicks you right into auto layout, and you can go back to